Hello students, good morning. Students, as I told you last time during last lecture on Friday that due to network issue the lecture there was a problem arising while conducting a lecture. We are conducting it for 15 to 20 minutes, but there was continuously disturbance in a network. So that's why I told you that I will send a video. Sorry, I got late to send this video, but see this video properly because I have covered all the points of this chapter in this video. And as I told you that tomorrow on Wednesday I am going to conduct your test on all these three chapters, chapter 1, 2 and 4. So prepare well for it. With this chapter I am sending you the notes as well. Study well, and as I have taught you, so you can write your answers on your own as well, on your own, by referring the notes. I told you to take out the notes whenever I am teaching. You have to take out the notes on your own. So through that also you can write a paper. The paper will be on a Google form. I will send the link of a Google form like last time, and you have to attempt the paper. The paper will be of 20 marks. Okay, so now let's start with the teaching and with the remaining points of this fourth chapter. In fourth chapter, last time when we started, that is entrepreneurship tool. This is the chapter. In this chapter I have told you what is entrepreneurship, who is entrepreneur, what are the qualities of an entrepreneur, functions of entrepreneur we have discussed. So in functions I think so we have covered all the functions of an entrepreneur. That the first function of an entrepreneur is to foresee, means he should be a practical dreamer. I told you the entrepreneur should be a practical dreamer, means whatever you are thinking you should be able to just uh, visualize those concepts in front of the society. Then research whatever you want to, whatever you are dreaming, whichever plan is there in your mind about the product or any of the service. You should first do a research over it, then you should plan that how you have to execute that project or that product in a market. Then organize resources, what things you will require for organizing those resources, like if you are opening any of the shop, where the shop should be placed and all those things. Then the next step is to execute, how to execute the things, how to execution means when, suppose you have finalize the resources, organize the resources, means if you are opening a clothing shop, you have just went and you have purchased the clothing and all the materials. Okay, now you have to execute the plan, means you have to just like we are saying inaugurate, inauguration. There is a inauguration of any of the shop or any of the company when it opens for the first time. So how to execute it, what special should be done. Then public relations, public relation here comes that how you will attract the customer for buying your product. Okay, so your public relation should be good so that you can attract the customer towards your product. Then stationary obligation, stationary obligation means what over here, that everything what you are doing it should be done legally, means whatever if there is your shop, means you have to pay services properly. If there are any stakeholders means partners are there, then their details should be marked properly in a government record and everything. So they are the stationary obligation, means legal complication should be you should go through the legal complication that may arise in your business. Then you have to do proper marketing of your product through advertisement. Then advertisement can be of any time, it can be of it can be mouth publicity, it can be hoardings, it can be through a television and many things. Then the final stage is to launch the product, means you have to keep your product, you have to yes, you have to keep your product in front of other, that this one is our product and we are just doing marketing of this product, or we are selling this product, or we are doing this kind of business. That is a launching stage. So these all are the functions of an entrepreneur. Then next one is importance of an entrepreneur. Then now, why entrepreneur is important? The main thing that the entrepreneur is important because see, importance of entrepreneur means what, like suppose Now many of the people, what they do, suppose they are studying, then some of the people go to some of the organization and join a job over there. So there are different ways whether you have to open your own business. If you are thinking like in a corona situation, many of the people have lost their job, so what they have done, they have started their own infrastructure, own business. So in own business there are also many options, whether you have to start any of the franchisee means there are a number of, like McDonald's is there. So McDonald's are there in many cities, okay. Then the McDonald is a brand which is owned by one person. But what other people have done, other people have taken their franchisee, मतलब उसको क्या किया उन्होंने, अपने नाम पे खरीदा हुआ, उसके एक ब्रांच अपने नाम पे खरीदी है, okay. So that is a franchisee. So you can own a franchisee and you can start your own business, or you can bring your own product and you can start your business, that I want to work independently, I want to work on my own. So that is the importance of entrepreneurs. So in which way you just bring your product in a market, and how you do publicity of that product, and how you earn money through it, that is the basic importance of an entrepreneur, okay. Now as there is a point importance of entrepreneur, so why we can also consider one point over here, that if you open your own infrastructure, okay, then what can happen, you can make means you can allow people to come in your organization and join your organization, like schools, you can school facility, you can make avail school facility to the people, hospital facility, then marketplace, and many more things are there through which you can help people as well to join your organization and make the service available to other people if they are in any of the need, okay. So that is the importance of entrepreneur. Then next one is myths of entrepreneur. Myths means what? Stories. Then there are many people, means many peoples behind them, there are many stories, that this was a poor person, how he grown up, like Dhirubhai Ambani, okay. Everyone have heard that he was working on a petrol pump, and he was uh, working over there, okay. And his salary was also low, so how he grown himself, how he started his business, now how his sons are handling that business. So there is a story behind every person. If the person is starting a business or a own already owned business, like Dhirubhai Ambani means his sons are having a owned business means जो पहले से खोला हुआ है उसी को वो आगे आगे चला रहे हैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप, और कुछ नया उसके ऊपर उसके थ्रू इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं, ओके. सो देर आर मेनी थिंग्स. So what are there are some of the myths of entrepreneurs, some of the things that an entrepreneur should have, like बॉर्न एंटरप्रेन्योर मतलब कोई लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनका है ना पहले से ही काफ़ी सालों पहले से ही उनका कोई बिजनेस सेटअप होता है. हम बोलते हैं ना कि हमारे जो like the business owned by our ancestor, we are going through that business only, and we are developing that business only, okay. So that is a born entrepreneur. मतलब एक जनरेशन के बाद सेकेंड के बाद थर्ड जनरेशन, just they are working in a same business and they are just developing that business step by step. So that is called as a born entrepreneur. Then next one is huge money. Now there are many entrepreneurs who want to work individually, who want to own their who want to use their own capital in their own business, okay. मतलब ऐसे भी कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर होते हैं जिनके पास बहुत सारा पैसा होता है, तो ये सारे पैसों का हम करें क्या, हमारे पास काफ़ी सारा पैसा है, उसका क्या करें. तो पैसा क्या घर में रख सकते हैं या बैंक में रख सकते हैं, इतना सारा नहीं, कहीं ना कहीं वी हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इट, और द पर्सन हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इट. सो ह्यूज मनी, what can the person can become an entrepreneur, and he can start own business, some other business, by using that lot sum capital, okay. So the second type of an entrepreneur is one who is having a huge money. Then instant profit means what? Suppose someone might have opened any of the business just now, within a month or 2 months or 3 months over, and suddenly he became rich. Okay, he became rich, he is earning a lot. He got the instant profit. He started with very small venture, very small capital here means money. Okay, so he started with very small venture means a shop or something, office or something. uh, and he has started the business, suppose with 10,000 or 20,000 money he has invested in his business within a month earlier. And within a month he got instant profit. He got profit of at least 1 lakh or 2 lakh. Okay, so there are many entrepreneurs who gets instant profit when they start any of the business. Then next one is must to have a good idea. Whenever you have to open any business, what the thing is, you should have a good idea. If you are having a good idea for your business, for if you want to open a business or any of the franchisee, the ideas should be that much. The you should have ideas like how to invest in it, how to earn a profit, how to uh, means how to attract customers, how to sell our product, how to do marketing of our products. This kind of good ideas should come in your mind. Then luxurious future means, if we tell that luxurious future here comes that whenever suppose you have joined any of the company after completing your education. Okay, then suddenly you got a package of 2 lakh or 3 lakh per annum. Okay, you got a package means your luxurious future, your future went means बहुत अच्छा आपका दिखने लगा कि मैं 3 लाख साल का कमाता हूँ, 3 लाख 3.5 लाख मतलब 25,000 26,000 के ऊपर मेरी सैलरी है. मीन्स आई कैन सॉल्व ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स. आई कैन means whatever my dreams are there, I can complete those dreams. So that is a luxurious future मतलब आपको कोई काम जॉब लगना है या आपने कोई ऐसी कंपनी ओपन करना जहाँ इंस्टेंट प्रॉफिट हुआ हो, तो वो पैसा आप जब इन्वेस्ट करोगे, इन्वेस्ट करने के बाद भी उसमें से जो प्रॉफिट आएगा आप उसके थ्रू क्या कर सकते हो, यू कैन complete your dreams, whatever you wanted in your life you can complete that. So that comes under luxurious future. देन ओनली यंग, दिस वन इज़ द मीथ ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर. ओनली यंग मतलब क्या कि ऐसे ज़रूरी नहीं है, इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू शुड ओपन और यू शुड वर्क इन अ कंपनी और यू शुड स्टार्ट योर ओन बिजनेस आफ्टर यू क्रॉस 18. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी. if you are 10 years old, if you are 12 years old, 15 years old, from any age you can start your own business, or from any age you can start doing work. If you are having a good idea and if you are having everything in your mind properly, there is no age limit to work on any of the things. Okay, you might have heard that this one is the student, or this one is the kid who is of 10 years old and he has developed this thing. Okay, there are many news in a market, in a news channels we are hearing every after every 8 to 10 days that this one is a young student and he is earning this much money. Okay, then so you can think that at the young age also you can start earning a lot if you are having a good mentality and good thinking strength. Okay, then so here we completed the myths of an entrepreneur. I hope you understood all these point. If you are facing any of the issue in this point, you just message me, because sometime I am not available for a call. So you message me if you are not understood any of the point in this. Now next, entrepreneurship as a career option. How you can include, how you can make it as a career, how you can make entrepreneur this thing as a career option. Okay, so entrepreneur as a career option. So entrepreneur as a career option can be made in a form of like you can give ideas to people like हम नॉर्मली बैठते हैं, ओके, व्हेन वी आर फ्रेंड्स आर सिटिंग एंड वी शेयर सम आइडियाज़ विद इन ईच अदर, तो क्या होता है हम जस्ट डिस्कशन करते हैं। बट यही चीज़ को अगर आपने बिजनेस बना लिया और लोगों के सामने रिप्रेजेंट किया योर आइडियाज़ योर इनोवेशंस, तो क्या होगा, आप किसी को आपको कोई आइडिया देना है कि तू ये काम है ना, इसको ऐसे ऐसे नहीं इस तरीके से कर, इट विल बी सिंपलियर फॉर यू, ओके। तो क्या होगा, आप किसी को कोई आइडिया दे रहे हो, दैट इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप क्वालिटी। जस्ट मेक इट योर business, just make it your career and earn money through it. Like if we say uh, ज्योतिषी एंड ऑल दोज पीपल आर देयर, ओके। क्या करते हैं वो लोग, कि क्या करते हैं, लोगों को जस्ट आइडिया देते हैं, आप ऐसे करो आप वैसे करो, आपको ये मिलेगा वो मिलेगा। वो भी क्या है, एक एंटरप्रेनर ही है, जो कि क्या है, उसका करियर ऑप्शन है, उसने उस चीज़ को करियर बना लिया है और वो लोगों में उसकी जानकारी देते रहते हैं, ओके। सो एंटरप्रेनरशिप कैन बी अ करियर ऑप्शन। सो करियर्स इन एंटरप्रेनरशिप, हाउ कैन यू मेक अ करियर इन एंटरप्रेनरशिप? By a service business. Service business means what? So guys, sorry, the service business is not the first point. The first pointing starting a new business. Careers in entrepreneur means what? First, what you have to do, you have to start a new business. If you want to set up your career in entrepreneurship, you have to start a business. After starting a business, what you have to do? Service business means what? You have to provide services to the other, like if you are open a business like banking or of a consultant or of insurance. So these insurance consultant you might have heard. So we will take an example over here. Suppose you have started a new business of a insurance agent or something, okay. Then what you can do, you can service that business. Service means what you can do, just you can provide information to the people, to other people. You can provide service to other people, that what are the terms of your insurance, what you can give to others, how it is beneficial. So all these things you can provide in a form of service to the people. So first you have to start a business, then you have to provide a service through your business. Then next come here, manufacturing means what? Suppose your business is there of some products, like any of the thing, like pot making or some anything we can take, okay. So what material is required, from where you can bring a raw material, then what can be the cost of raw material, how you can make avail that things to the people, how you can make avail those things for your own business, and how you have to sell those things after combining that raw material into one product, okay. All these things comes under manufacturing. Then sole proprietorship business. So, next one is sole proprietorship business. Sole proprietorship business means what? The small venture owned by yourself is called as a sole proprietorship business. Then it can be a grocery shop, it can be a carpenter shop, it can be an electronic shop, it can be uh, clothing shop, it can be anything. Sole proprietorship business means a small venture owned by yourself and you are running that venture on a small scale, that is called as a sole proprietorship business. Next one is buying a franchisee. Just now I told you about franchisee, like I told you about McDonald's, I have given you an example. Means franchisee means what? A parent franchisee owned by any of the person, like there is a McDonald, I don't know the name of a person who is the actual owner of a McDonald's, but that is a person who actually owns that McDonald's brand, okay. So what other peoples are doing, other peoples are just buying a franchisee from him, that we will run your franchisee and whatever profit we are earning from that we will give some of the percentage to you, because we have buy your franchisee. So from whatever profit we will earn every year, we will give some profit from that to you guys, okay. So that comes under buying a franchisee, that you are buying someone's product and you are running that product on someone else's name. So what should be done, how that product marketing should be done, and how it should be run in your area, all those things are necessary. How you run that product and all the things, okay. So and how you earn a profit, and from that profit how much you have to give, or how much percentage you are decided with actual parent franchisee मतलब जिसके नाम आपने लिया हुआ है. Then कॉपिंग नेक्स्ट कम्स कॉपिंग एन एग्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस. कॉपिंग एन एग्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस में ऐसे आ सकता है लाइक इफ़ यू से copying an existing business means what, suppose like same example we will take मैकडोनल्ड्स ने क्या किया, खुद का ब्रांड ओपन किया. फिर खुद के ब्रांड में पहले उसने जो आइटम्स रखे थे, जो भी फूड आइटम्स रखे थे, उसने क्या किया, स्टेप बाय स्टेप उसको इम्प्रूव किया, स्टेप बाय स्टेप उसने एक एक प्रोडक्ट ऐड किया. तो आपको क्या लगा कि इसका बिजनेस बहुत अच्छे से चल रहा है. सो can't we start same type of business on a small scale in our area? So what you did, you just copied that idea, what planning should be done, then how, if we open same kind of product in our area, then means you are copying every idea of the person, you are copying his brand and everything, but you are running it on a small scale, so there will be no problem. You are changing the name of your brand. It is a McDonald's, you are given something else, some other name to your brand. Okay, so copying an existing business idea which is owned by other and trying to execute that copied business based on your planning, your venture, your capital, that comes under कॉपिंग एन एग्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस. मतलब उसको किस तरह रन किया जाए, ये सब आता है कॉपिंग एन एग्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस में. Now, the last point over here is work from home business. You might have heard about Meesho app. Every time the advertisement is there that you can be at your home and through there you can earn a lot, means work from home business just by sitting at home. If any of the ladies or any of the person who is sitting at home can start a business from home and earn through a Meesho app. So work from home business means if you are you can start any of the business by sitting at home and you can sell your product online to the people or by doing marketing in your local area. That comes under work from home business. So guys, here we have completed this chapter entrepreneurship 2. As I told you that with this chapter I am sending the notes of this chapter. You have to prepare well for tomorrow's test. The chapter, all the three chapters are not difficult at all. You have to study properly and you have to attempt tomorrow's test properly. Okay, the marks are going to be added in your um, curriculum. Okay, so study for it in a better way. Okay, thank you guys.